In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Take this cover off, just grab, slide it up. It will be clipped in. You might have to use a trim tool and pop out those clips. Grab these hoses on the side, just twist back and forth a little bit. Pull those out of the way. You can pop those out if you want. Those just pop out there. On the back here, there is a clip. You just want to take a screwdriver, just pop that back out of the way, and grab this cover right here and on the front, just pull it up slightly. Do the same on this side. Just like that. There is a hose right here. Just pop that hose off. And you can slide it out. We're going to pop this connector off. There is a little lock tab there. Just use a screwdriver. Just get in between there. Pop it back a little bit, and you can push down on it. And slide the connector off, just like that. Set that aside. Now we're going to take the bolts out using a T30 socket. And take the other bolt out. And just grab the coil, rock it back and forth a little bit. Just pull up slowly, and it pops right out. Just going to take the coil with just a little bit of dielectric grease on the end. That's good. And slide it onto the spark plug. Just wiggle it back and forth a little bit and push it down. That's good. Put the two bolts in. We'll torque those bolts to 80 inch-pounds. Plug the connector in, lock it down, push down on the lock. And you can do the same on the other ones. Take this engine cover, line it up. Make sure this hose goes in. Get that lined up. Make sure it goes over the mass airflow sensor. Push it down. Lock that in place. Now take the intake snorkel, slide it in position down below, and line it up, lock it in place. Do the same on the other one. Take this cover, line it up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.